this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is our new satisfaction. Chip thrill, chip tricks.
One exercise. What is that one exercise? By doing that, you can make your body overall look so good in so small time that people can admire, or you can be noticed with somebody that you must be doing gym. But for that one exercise, you don't have to go to gym, you don't have to spend any money, not much time. So what is that one exercise? We're going to be talking about that one exercise in this video. Before that, I need you to subscribe my channel and like my video and share this with your friend as much as you can. So without making further ado, let's get started with today's topic, which is how to do one exercise which works for several muscles of your body. Let's get started. Before you start watching this video, let me clear this thing out. I specially decided to make this video for those who cannot afford gym, or those who cannot afford time to invest in gym. Those who are looking for big outcome in short time and without effort, without spending any single money or without spending too much time. Just by keeping all those needs of in my mind, I decided to make this video, because me too, it's been 6 years I've been staying in this Middle East country. I don't have time because I do 12-hour duty and transportation is 3 hours. So in short, I can say I don't go gym. I don't have time to go to gym. Whenever I get time, I just do one exercise that makes me look on that I do gym. Okay, I don't have to, of course, when I will take my shirt off, you can say your body is full of fat, whatever you can say. But when I put t-shirt on, when I wear shirt on, then I always get asked that, do you do gym? That is why I decided to make this video, to bring, gym kind of result, that, you can be asked by a stranger, or you can be noticed with somebody that, yeah, do you do gym? But you won't be doing. You don't need to be going gym. You don't need to be spending money. All you have to be doing is what I'm going to tell you, that one exercise which works on several muscles of your body, but you don't have to perform for individual exercise for individual muscles. This exercise works all together at one time on several muscles of your body. So what is that one exercise? So those, again I'm saying, those who have money, those who have time, those who can go to gym, don't watch this video, because only for those my brothers, those who don't have money but still want to look good, still want to be respected as like me, because I never go gym. And I always do that exercise, just for 5 minutes. You don't even have to spend 5 minutes. Always 5 minutes and you will get that result. People will ask you that, do you do gym? But you won't be doing. That one exercise is pull-up. You don't need any special equipment. You don't need any special trainer to train you, guide you. All you need is a small bar of iron. If you don't have, then go somewhere and steal it. If it's so big deal for you, all you need is one small bar. Anywhere where construction work is going on, you can go, you can ask. That is how easy it is to get to. And once you got that bar, just hang it somewhere, and once it hung, after then all you have to do, give your 5 minutes daily, no matter where you come from, no matter where you are going to. Just give 5 minutes on your body before taking shower or after taking shower. Just give 5 minutes of your body, and you will see, after 1 month, 2 months, you will start noticing that something is happening in your body. There are 3 postures. One, which is normal. You can see that person has never worked on their muscle. One is completely thin or fat. You can easily say that, yeah, that person has never worked on their muscles. That is one kind of body shape. Another, which you can see that, yeah, that person is working a little bit on their muscles, and one is completely muscular. I'm not talking about being muscular, because for that you will have to go to gym, trainer, dieting, or product, so many protein powder and all these things. Yes, you have to, if you're training for being professional, that's for different thing. It's completely necessary. You will have to go to gym. But here I'm talking about how to look good, how to be fit with shirt on, with t-shirt on. When you will be wearing t-shirt, so your chest must be popping out. Your muscle mass should be that much that at least that t-shirt sleeve will be tight enough. Self can feel confident. You know, when that t-shirt is loose on here or there, you self don't feel confident, isn't it? So that's all you need to do. You need to make people ask that do you do gym, and you can do it just with exercise. So you can check in internet the benefit of pull-ups. What are the benefit of pull-ups, or which are the muscles hit to just with doing pull-ups? Let me tell you, it works on biceps, tricep and chest, and this lats, and even in back or even in shoulder. When you will be doing, then you will be you will be seeing where you are feeling pain. You just don't need to buy whatever I'm selling through word. You can check in internet the benefit of pull-up. Let me clear this thing out, brother. In starting, you might be not able to perform even one pull-up exercise, because this is the hardest exercise of all. Even those professional bodybuilder, I'm not talking about all, because some don't prefer this pull-up, because it's very hard to get used to over it. Once you got used to, then you don't need any equipment. You can work on your shoulder, back, tricep or bicep, lats. You can make your V shape. You can check. Pull-up exercise is the greatest exercise to make your make your body look V. As you can see in my back is full of fat. I self can say that I'm completely full of fat, but at least you can see little bit that V shape. I'm not taking gym seriously. Already I'm saying this is just to make you look good with t-shirt on. If you really want to be looking good with t-shirt off, with shirt off, sorry to say, you will have to go gym. But if you really want to look good with t-shirt on, then you can do this. And you can lie to everybody, because if you wearing t-shirt and if it's tight on chest, hand, then you can lie to anybody that yes, I have a six-pack. For example, just look at me. Just look at me. Look at my arm, okay? Look at my back. I can easily say, yes, I do gym, but I never do it. Now you have seen my, not so good body, because I've shown you with t-shirt off, with that jacket off. That is why now you knows that under beneath this jacket, I don't have that muscular body, because I shown you. But if I had never shown you, you would have never guessed that I have fat under beneath the t-shirt, right? That is what I'm saying. Just do this pull-up exercise and you will be completely fit to do show off. In order for you to start doing pull-up, you need to be doing first thing. First, in starting, you're not gonna be doing pull-up, because it's gonna be very hard for you. You might not be able to do one pull-up perfectly. So what you have to do, first several weeks, you have to just hang with bar. Okay, when you will hang with bar, then you will feel pain on your arms, because what is that pull-up exercise, what makes everyone not perform it is how hard it is to get used to of it. So simply just hang with bar, okay, and just get your hand used to, get your body used to, and let your arm be strong enough that you can pull all your body weight just on your arm. Because you have to pull all your body weight. Like suppose I'm 80 kg, I will have to put my 80 kg weight on this arm. So this arm must be strong, and just with, I'm giving you a small trick, okay? Just try to hang with bar for 10 days, okay? And you will see the extremely increasement in the power of your arm. You can do arm wrestling with somebody and you self will notice the magnificent changes. You can defeat anyone in arm wrestling if you just perform hanging. You don't have to do even pull up, just hang with bar and you will see that your arm has enough power. Once your arm is strong enough that you can do little bit pull up. So that's how you need to start, and that's how you need to perform your first pull up. And the moment you get one, then just keep doing it, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. That's how it goes, from slow to up. That's all. I will show you from here to my transformation video in soon. I'm not gonna promise you when this video will come out. This video might come out after 1 year or 2 years, I really don't know. But one day I will show you how I really made, from this to my dream body, which I have, which I have in my mind to make it. I will do it. But leave all this thing apart. Just subscribe my channel and please just do it. Just all you have to do, 5 minutes every day.